Hello everyone, welcome to the second week of this workshop. I hope you and your families are doing well. In this video, you will find the instructions for this week. To do so, let's see your Aula Virtual. In the workshop section of your Aula Virtual, you will find other two sections, that is materials and activities. In the materials section, there is the workshop calendar, a software, and the workbook. The workshop calendar will be edited weekly with the information of each week. You will find the activities and the links for you to do each week. Besides, in the materials section, you will find a link called software. This is a software that you will have to use during the semester to practice by your own and to prepare yourself for the quizzes. And there is a folder called Workbook. In this folder, you will find all the units of the course with the workbook and different activities you can do. In the workshop, we will work with the workbook, but I will choose some activities for you to do. As I said before, there is a section called Materials and Activities. In the Activities section, you will see all the activities you have to do weekly. So this week, you have this to-do list. You can look for the activities here, or you can click on the workshop calendar and you will find the same links. So as you can see again, here you will find the instructions, that is this video, and the to-do list. So for this week, you click on week 2, to-do list, and here's a link of the things you are supposed to do this week. These activities are not evaluated, but they will help you to practice and prepare yourself for the quiz. Each week will be divided in workbook and software. In the workbook section, these are exactly the same activities that you will find in the workbook, but in a more interactive way. Let's see one of the activities you have to do this week. For example, it says practice your vocabulary types of music. So you click in this activity, and this is a game. So you click on Iniciar Juego, and it's a matching exercise. So you will find different types of music with their description, and then you click on some, and you match. A second activity is related to sports and exercise, and it's pretty much the same. You can click on it, and here you will find different activities. First, you will see the vocabulary. You can play some games. You can listen to them, write them, or learn them in different ways. So if, for example, you want to match the exercises again, you can do so. The name with the definition. In your to-do list, I also added a grammar section. This week, you are supposed to put in practice present simple, present progressive, and past simple. And I found a very interesting video that explains the difference between present simple and present continuous or progressive by watching series. It's important for you to remember that we use present simple for things that are routines or things that we usually do. For example, I teach classes at the university, and when we change the subject for a she, he, it, or a name, we must modify the verb. Present progressive or continuous is used to talk about situations that are happening right now at this moment. For example, you are watching this video right now, or I'm talking to you right now. And the past simple is used for activities that happened in the past and that they finished in the past. For example, yesterday I had a meeting, or I fed my dog a couple of hours ago. I really believe that this video over here will help you to understand the difference between present simple and present progressive. Also, during the semester, you will work with a software. In this week, I recommend you to do these exercises: sports and exercises 2, present tenses and past simple 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here you can see an image of the things you have to do for you to remember. This is the software. And here you can see how it looks like. So as I said before, you go to Unit 1 and do the activities sports and exercise 2, present tenses and past simple 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's see one of the activities, sports and exercise 2. So in this activity, you have to put these words in the correct group, and you can click on them and put them in a different group depending on what you think. If you want to go back to another activity, you go back to Unit 1 and then you choose another one. Remember that in order to have access to the software, you have to go back to Materials and click on the software and install it in your computer. Please, if you have any questions, recommendations, suggestions, write to my email and use the same format as I mentioned in the first video of this workshop. Remember that these activities are not evaluated, but they will help you to put in practice what you're learning with Miss Catalina, and they will help you to prepare yourself for the quiz. That's all for today. I hope you have a great week. Take care, be safe, wash your hands, and see you next week. Bye.